Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lorene and this is Lorene June Projects. If you haven't yet subscribed, just click down below. I know I look so crazy today, but this is going to be, I think, part one or maybe part two of vlogs of our move to Alaska. In preparation for our move, we've done a lot of stuff. I think I'm going to be doing a few videos, so I just want to give you guys a rundown of what this particular channel within my channel is going to be about. So this one is all about our move to Alaska. So we are getting out of the Navy and PCSing, I guess, is it PCSing? I don't even know. And we're moving to Alaska with orders because we're getting out of the Navy, or not we, my husband's getting out of the Navy. So I'm gonna do another video on just that, like what that kind of looks like for the wife's perspective. Husband's perspective, there's a ton of paperwork and stuff that I'm not even gonna be going over. I have no clue. So that is not my expertise. My expertise is organizing and preparation for our move. So yes, we already bought our house. We close on Monday, which is crazy. So in the future, of course, we will already have had our house. What that process looked like as far as buying a house from Washington and moving to Alaska. No, we have never seen our house in person before. So I figured that'd be another really great video because not a lot of people do that. And I mean, actually, maybe a lot of people do that, especially in the military. So what that process kind of looked like for us. Do we like it? You know, just all that kind of stuff. So today I am organizing and prepping for our move, and this is what it looks like. Baby Cooper is sleeping. This is all clothes from my pregnancy, things that I'm organizing for Cooper, donation pile. This is what I'm organizing on. Cooper stuff, summer stuff, winter stuff, Cooper, Cooper, and Cooper. So there's also, actually, you know what, there's a couple of bins in there that are mine as well. Watching Harry Potter and just gonna be organizing. So hopefully you guys like this video. my video. Literally just organizing and prepping our living room. It was crazy. It was a huge disaster, but I love organizing. I literally learned, so I obviously learned how to fold when I was a kid. I read the KonMari method. It's a book. I can link it down below as well. And by no means that I use the KonMari method organizing all day long. I use like a kind of the KonMari, kind of just like regular folding. So if you're interested in learning about that, the book is awesome. If you're like wanting to go through every single drawer in your house, get rid of all your stuff, feel every single thing that you own, it's actually so cool. And the perfect time to do it is when you're moving. I hope that you guys have an awesome week. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you guys liked this. Let me know.